Good morning students. I am Anuj Jaiswal, and after completing the introduction of human eye, today we will cover eye defects. We have mainly 3 eye defects in your syllabus, but today we will discuss only 2 out of them. One is myopia, it is also known as short-sightedness, and second is hypermetropia. Now first of all, myopia. It is the eye defect in which person is able to see the nearby objects clearly, but the far object or distant objects cannot be seen clearly. Suppose a student sitting at the last bench of the classroom is not able to see what is written on the blackboard, and that type of defect is called myopia. And what is the problem with the eyes for this defect? Suppose normal eye, it receives the light rays to the lens, and these light rays by our lens is converged to our retina, so that we can obtain a real inverted and smaller image. But in case of myopia, there is a problem with the eyeball. Our eyeball get elongated, and when the eyeball get elongated, the image will be formed before the retina. That's why this eye defect is also known as short-sightedness. Now second reason for this particular disease is increased curvature of the lens. If the lens curvature increases, suppose our normal curvature is this for this particular length, but in case of eye defect, the curvature get increased, and if curvature increase, the focal length of the eye lens decreases, and that's why the person is not able to see the distant objects clearly. Now how it can be corrected? It can be corrected by using a concave lens of a suitable power. Now this concave lens, because it is diverging in nature, it get diverge the light rays, and it our now convex lens of your eye lens again converges at the right place, that is retina. Now the person can see the objects clearly. In this way you can correct the myopia. Now come to your second eye defect, that is hypermetropia. In case of hypermetropia, the person is able to see the far away objects clearly, but the nearby objects, suppose notebooks, books or newspaper, it is very difficult to read the newspaper or what is written in the books. And what is the main causes? Main causes is shortening of eyeball. Eyeball becomes short than the natural, and secondly, it also due to decreased curvature of the lens. Decreased curvature means normal curvature of your lens is this, and in this case the curvature decreases, the lens become too flat, and if the lens become too flat, its focal length get increased, and you are able to focus the distant object clearly, but nearby objects cannot be seen clearly. As you can see in this figure, normal eye can focus the light rays to the retina properly so that we can see clearly, but in case of hypermetropic eye, the light rays get converged at a place which is just behind the retina. That's why the person is not able to see the objects clearly. Now how it can be corrected? It can be corrected by using convex lens of suitable power, and this convex lens is converging in nature, and it converges the light rays, and again a eye lens converges the light rays at the right place, that is retina, and in this way the hypermetropic patient can see the nearby objects clearly. That's all for today. Thank you.